Taking the first step towards having a digital currency in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched an electronic-based digital payment system called e-Rupee. The concept of electronic vouchers takes forward the vision of good governance. Here's what PM Modi said on this.
आज देश डिजिटल गवर्नेंस को एक नया आयाम दे रहा है। ई रूपी वाउचर देश में डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन को, डीबीटी को और प्रभावी बनाने में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका निभाने वाला है। इससे टारगेटेड, ट्रांसपेरेंट और लीकेज फ्री डिलीवरी में सभी को बड़ी मदद मिलेगी। 21वीं सदी का भारत आज कैसे आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से आगे बढ़ रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी को लोगों के जीवन में जोड़ रहा है, ई रूपी उसका भी एक प्रतीक है।
Over the years, the Government of India has championed Digital India initiatives and several programs have been launched to ensure that benefits reach their intended beneficiaries in a targeted and leak-proof manner, with limited touchpoints between the government and the beneficiary. e-Rupee is a person and purpose-specific payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and National Health Authority. It's a QR code based or SMS string based e-voucher which is delivered to the beneficiaries via mobile. The beneficiaries, by using this seamless one-time payment mechanism, will be able to redeem the voucher without a card, digital payments app or internet banking access at the service provider. The person and purpose specific digital payment solution platform connects the sponsors of the services with the beneficiaries and service providers in a digital manner while ensuring that the payment to the service provider is made only after the transaction is completed. Being prepaid in nature, e-Rupee assures timely payment to the service provider without the involvement of any intermediary. The platform can also be used for delivering services under schemes meant for providing drugs and nutritional support under mother and child welfare schemes, TB eradication programs, drugs and diagnostics under schemes like Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, fertilizer subsidies among others.
अभी शुरुआती चरण में ये योजना देश के हेल्थ सेक्टर से जुड़े बेनिफिट्स पर लागू की जा रही है। मान लीजिए कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेवा भाव से भारत सरकार के द्वारा जो मुफ्त वैक्सीन दी जा रही है उसका लाभ लेना नहीं चाहता है, लेकिन जो प्राइवेट अस्पतालों में जहां कुछ कीमत देकर के वैक्सीन चल रही है उसमें भेजना चाहता है। अगर वो 100 गरीबों को वैक्सीन लगवाने की उसकी इच्छा है तो वो उन 100 गरीबों को ई-रूपी वाउचर दे सकता है। ई-रूपी वाउचर ये सुनिश्चित करेगा कि उसका इस्तेमाल वैक्सीन लगवाने में ही हो, किसी और काम में नहीं। समय के साथ इस पे और भी चीजें जुड़ती चली जाएगी। जैसे कोई किसी के इलाज पर खर्च करना चाहता है, कोई टीबी के मरीज को सही दवाओं और भोजन के लिए आर्थिक मदद देना चाहता है, या फिर बच्चों को, गर्भवती महिलाओं को भोजन और पर्यावरण से जुड़ी दूसरी सुविधाएं पहुंचाना चाहता है, तो ई-रूपी उनके लिए बहुत मददगार साबित होगा।
The government also said that even the private sector can leverage these digital vouchers as part of the employee welfare and corporate social responsibility programs. Now let's understand what is the significance of e-Rupee and how is it different from a digital currency. The Reserve Bank of India had recently said that it has been working towards a phased implementation strategy for central bank digital currency or CBDC, which are digital currencies issued by a central bank that generally take on digital form of the nation's existing fiat currency such as the rupee. The launch of e-rupee could potentially highlight the gaps in the digital payments ecosystem that will be necessary for the success of the future digital currency. In effect, e-rupee is different to a virtual currency and closer to a voucher-based payment system. Are there global examples of voucher-based welfare system? Well, in the USA, there is the system of education vouchers or school vouchers, which is a certificate of government funding for students selected for state-funded education to create a targeted delivery system. Other than the US, the school voucher system has been used in several other countries such as Colombia, Chile, Sweden, Hong Kong, etc. India has a huge scope of growth in the digital currency, increasing penetration of digital payments alongside the spread of private virtual currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, which may be yet another reason why CBDCs become important from the point of view of central bank. With e-rupee, India has taken another imperative measure in the world of digital economy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more developing stories from all across India.